guys, it's Kaylee from HairWeavon. I'm here today to talk to you about the Wig Fix. The Wig Fix is this silicone headband designed to keep your wig in place. If you're self-conscious about your wig falling off, this is a great alternative to tapes, glues and any other adhesives. It's designed to keep your wig secure and stay in place. They also guarantee that it's even roller coaster proof. This is a sustainable product. Instead of using disposable tapes and adhesives that you'll only use one time, this one will last you years and it's good for the environment. You can use this with any type of wig and it's virtually undetectable. I'm wearing it now and you'd never notice. The Wig Fix was designed for people that were partaking in high intensity activities such as sport. The pressure from your wig activates the gripping force of the Wig Fix with the frictional adhesion securing your wig in place. So, how do I apply my Wig Fix? First of all, it's important that you start off with a dry, oil-free scalp so that your Wig Fix can grip onto your skin. Then I place my Wig Fix just at the top of my crown, above where I want my hairline to be. Then I'll get my wig, I'll place the front and pop the hairline where I want, and it's just at the rim of that Wig Fix there. I fix it at the back and then you're good to go. It's as easy as that. It's super easy to clean the Wig Fix. Just use a non-oily makeup wipe or a face cloth. Shop the Wig Fix now at HairWeavon.com. Make sure you're subscribing to our channel to keep up with all the news in the world of wigs. Thanks very much for watching.